My name is Jonathan Haber, and I've been fascinated with human potential for over 7 years. Specifically, what does it take for a human being to move from where they're at to a deeper actualization of their potential in the ways that they desire? 3 years ago, I decided to teach myself to code. I wanted to teach my computer to coach me, so I did that. Initially through AppleScript, and then teaching myself TextExpander to craft custom coaching methodologies and then automate basically my computer coaching me. Then I wanted to integrate all of those coaching tools. So I needed to teach myself how to code. I taught myself HTML, HTML5, JavaScript, CSS, CSS3, jQuery, Bootstrap, and a bunch of libraries in order to get this app up. I realized when I was building this app and coaching myself with it that I needed to know how congruent a given goal was with my values. I needed to know how important it was, and I needed to define or determine as best as I could who I would need to be in order to actualize the goal, so that I could evaluate what the degree of congruity was between my way of being and the way of being called for, as well as evaluating how committed am I to being who I must be in order to actualize the goal at hand, in order to pull off what it is that I was wanting to pull off. That gave me the pivot points or the leverage points upon which different coaching practices would be the most conducive or relevant, influential. And then I needed to actually teach my app to coach me in those processes. So I tested this while I built it and just refined the parts that worked. I quickly realized that each of the unique coaching methods and traditions that I was leveraging were complementary, so I needed them to be able to be accessible all at the same time, and therefore embedded them on the menu on the right. Then I recognized that I needed an income stream, and I noticed that the on-demand work industry was booming, so I started recruiting for it. And I automated 90% of what I was doing, starting with integrations to HubSpot. I automated creating unique ads so that I would always have something fresh to offer. This generated a ton of response. That's all in one day right there. And so I needed to actually sort of automate my time again, basically take my workload and make it automatic over and over to continuously increase my efficiency and to increase my capacity to scale. So this involved building sites through Typeform so that the actual screening of these job applicants could be automated. There are limits to what I can create by myself, and so I'm ready actually to join a team now and help support and uplift a team while being challenged myself to grow. So how can your company, your project use my skills? Please reach out to me and let me know.